Nobody wants to be injured, and for most people, going through an injury claim is something they've never been through before. So I wanted to give some quick tips and advice on how to best navigate this and maximize your recovery, whether you have an attorney working for you or if you're doing this on your own. The first tip I have is to find out whether your injury qualifies for an insurance claim. Not every injury does, several types do. Things like car accidents, if you've been hurt at work, typically anywhere that you've been injured as a result of somebody else's negligence would qualify for an insurance claim. If you're unsure, this is a great opportunity to meet with a lawyer. We do 100% free consultations to help people identify and answer questions just like that one. The second tip I have is to gather information that can help show that your injury was caused by somebody else's mistake or negligence. Things like taking photos, if it's a car accident or a slip and fall, take photos of the vehicles involved, take photos of what it is that you fell on, any kind of photos that would tend to show what happened. And then lastly, find any witnesses and get their contact information. Third piece of advice I have is to get the medical treatment that you need. If you're hurt, get the treatment that you need right away. Don't delay on that. And if you have been recommended to follow up, go to those follow-up appointments. If anything starts to hurt in the days or weeks after the injury that weren't initially hurting, get treatment for those things right away as well. The fourth piece of advice I have is to get organized. Whenever you're dealing with the insurance company, organization is absolutely key to maximizing your recovery. Gather all the information that you got that shows the other person was at fault. Get your medical records, your medical bills, and get anything else that's going to show damages that you incurred, things like lost wages and that sort of thing. The fifth tip I have is to only discuss your injury with the insurance company after you've had a chance to fully go through your medical treatment and find out and diagnose all of the injuries that you sustained in the accident. Absolutely don't entertain those conversations. It's another opportunity to talk to an attorney if you've got an insurance company that's putting pressure on you to make statements whenever you're not quite ready yet. And the last piece of advice I have is to not sign any sort of settlement release until you know that you're being fully and fairly compensated for all of the damages you suffered from this injury claim. Again, another opportunity, if you haven't already, to talk to a lawyer. We can help you determine if the insurance company is, if they're making an offer, if that offer is fair, and if it does really compensate you for everything that you're owed. Injuries are really difficult and unexpected life occurrences. They're hard to get through. The insurance companies, their goal really is to give you as little as possible at the end of the day. Hopefully with these tips, you can be in a better position to not be taken advantage of if you are going through this on your own. Now, our firm has experience in dealing with the insurance companies. We may be able to help you with your case. Oftentimes, we can make all the difference. We are Jet Accident and Injury Lawyers.